Curious about the epic journey of colossal bulldozers, bridges, and wind turbine towers? Today, we're embarking on a thrilling exploration of extreme dangerous transport skill. Brace yourself for a wild ride through the realm where engineering prowess meets unstoppable force to conquer the impossible. Let's dive in. A colossal 80-meter superyacht, weighing a massive 1,680 gross tons, has been successfully launched at the Bilgin Yachts shipyard in Istanbul. Marvel at the breathtaking spectacle as this engineering masterpiece is carefully transferred onto a floating dock using 64-axle self-propelled modular transporters, SPMTs. This impressive feat showcases the cutting-edge technology and meticulous planning required to launch such a monumental vessel, marking a milestone in Turkish shipbuilding. Witness the impressive 92-meter transformer transport from Boilerfoss to Harabakken, Norway, as it gracefully navigates the E18 highway towards Godestad. This colossal cargo, a testament to modern engineering, showcases the precision and expertise required to transport vital electrical infrastructure. Statnet Transport S03 demonstrates their mastery of heavy haulage, ensuring the safe and efficient delivery of this essential component. Brace yourself for a white-knuckle ride as this heavily overloaded truck navigates treacherous GAT downturns, a heart-pounding test of skill and nerves for even the most seasoned drivers. Witness the innovative relocation of a Manitowoc 18,000 crane at the Loma Blanca 6th wind farm in Argentina. This groundbreaking transport method, using 36 hydraulic axle lines, allowed the massive crane to be moved fully erected on roads designed for narrower equipment. This innovative solution not only reduced costs and construction time, but also increased flexibility by allowing the use of more readily available wide-track crawler cranes. Witness the mind-blowing maneuver of a colossal Hitachi ZX673 excavator. This beast, weighing in at a staggering 67.5 tons and stretching 13.2 meters long, is no lightweight. Watch as a MAN TGX XXL 41.680 truck, specially equipped by Ernst, tackles the Herculean task of transporting this behemoth from the Ramesstrasse rail demolition site. Haraket Heavy Lifting and Project Transportation Co. successfully transported a massive 600-ton autoclave from Izmir, Aliyah to Manisa, Gordes in Turkey. The 65-day operation covered a distance of 180 kilometers and involved overcoming a 12% maximum grade and bypassing 11 bridges. The impressive cargo dimensions of 32.45 m x7m x 7.05 m required the use of a 22-axle, 3-file Goldhover PST SLE self-propelled modular transporter to ensure safe and efficient transport. This project highlights Haraket's expertise in heavy lifting and project transportation, demonstrating their ability to handle complex logistical challenges and deliver successful outcomes for their clients.
Oh no!
A $3 million 60-foot yacht toppled off its trailer at Lake of the Ozarks State Park Marina due to balance loss during transport.
It's moving. Looks like it's leaning.
The Peterbilt 367H truck by Passato Transport is a heavy-duty powerhouse built for demanding construction applications. With its 123-inch BBC and multiple axle configurations, this versatile workhorse is ready to tackle any job. Equipped with a robust cooling system and a wide array of heavy-duty components, the 367H excels in even the most challenging environments. Whether hauling heavy loads, navigating oil fields, or working in stationary applications, the Peterbilt 367H proves its reliability and performance time and time again. This MAN TGS 33.480, hauling 5 Komatsu excavators, is a beast on the brink. As it navigates a treacherous hairpin turn on one of Asia's deadliest mountain roads, the stakes couldn't be higher. One wrong move, and it's a catastrophic plunge into the abyss. Witness the incredible transport of the Space Shuttle fuel tank, ET-94, by Emert International. Weighing 66,000 lbs and measuring 155 feet in length, this colossal tank was moved with precision and expertise to the California Science Center. The sheer size and weight of the ET-94 posed significant challenges, but Emert's meticulous planning and coordination ensured a flawless journey. Their technical skill and dedication are truly commendable, showcasing the pinnacle of heavy lift transportation capabilities. What an incredible display of heavy hauling power at the Marken Special Transport Dag in the Netherlands. The departure of these massive trucks, each carrying colossal loads, is a true testament to the engineering and logistical expertise involved in specialized transport. The sheer size and weight of these vehicles, combined with the complex maneuvering required, showcase the dedication and skill of the drivers and support teams. This is a spectacle that truly captures the awe-inspiring world of heavy-haul transportation. Wagenborg Nedlift, maneuvering a colossal 450-ton vibratory hammer out of Bremen Machinery's factory hall. This heavy haulage operation utilized a double 12-line SPMT, self-propelled modular transporter, to transport this massive machine, commissioned by Cape Holland, to the harbor. This remarkable feat showcases the precision and expertise required to handle such heavy and specialized equipment, ensuring its safe and efficient delivery to its next destination. This is some serious heavy hauling. Watching Havator's team expertly maneuver a 325-ton transformer through the streets of Calix is truly impressive. The sheer size and weight of this load, combined with the precision required to navigate tight turns and obstacles, is a testament to the skill and experience of everyone involved. The 16-axle Goldhofer modular trailer and the powerful Scania V8 trucks are a perfect match for this challenging task, demonstrating the cutting-edge technology used in modern heavy-haul transportation. Mind-blowing engineering at work. Hyundai Heavy Industries just completed the colossal Asta Hansteen Spar platform, a 46,000-ton behemoth that will soon embark on an epic journey to Norway. This isn't just any platform, it's the world's largest, and it's being transported by the equally impressive Dockwise Vanguard, the world's largest heavy transport vessel. Watch Fasula's heavy transports conquer Greece's winding roads with a colossal combo, the Kliman Jaw Crusher and Hitachi EX450 excavator. Navigate treacherous terrain with the help of powerful MAN prime movers. Witness the expertise and precision required to transport these behemoths through tight turns and steep descents. That's an impressive feat of engineering and logistics. Moving a 1 million-pound, 186-foot tower from Oklahoma to Colorado is no small task. It's fascinating to think of the planning and coordination required to transport such a massive structure, especially considering the road closures and navigation challenges. Witness the raw power of this beastly truck as it conquers a muddy incline with a jaw-dropping 300,000 lb load. No winch, no problem. Witness the impressive sight of Wagenborg Nedlift, transporting 13 massive 230-ton crane hooks from the quay to the factory hall at Bremen Machinery in Genemeiden. This heavy haulage operation utilized 12 lines of SPMT, self-propelled modular transporter, to maneuver these colossal hooks with precision and care. The Union Pacific train with 9 locomotives and 164 cars is indeed a monster, and definitely ranks among the longest and largest trains ever assembled. The sight of such a powerful machine navigating the challenging terrain of Byers Canyon and Bond, Colorado, must have been awe-inspiring. If you loved what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.